What's going on, everybody? This week in the shop, we are detailing Slim Jim here and getting it ready for sale. The old GMC Jimmy has been around for a lot longer than I'd like it to be. I sat around here for a little while the four-wheel drive was broken.
Oh, there it went.
And I just kind of pushed that off to the back burner and focused on other projects for a little bit. But it's finally come the time to list this thing up for sale. So the inside's really gross. We're going to start with that. The exterior is really dirty. You cannot see that from this camera since we're far away and it's white. But yeah, we're going to jump in. We're going to use the steamer and the extractor carpet cleaner. And then after all of that, I guess we'll give it a vacuum and then use the carpet cleaner on the floors. Anyways, I'm going to clean from top to bottom so that the vacuuming on the floors is second to last, and then stain cleaning the floors is very last. That way we can get as much out as we can, make it look as good as possible, and hopefully the next person will be really happy with this thing. I think just based off the way it looks, somebody's going to really love this little truck, but you never know. So, but cleaning them out, it will give you a lot better chance because somebody will sit in there and they won't be like, ew, gross. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm only going to film a little bit of this here and there, maybe just before and after, because it's just cleaning. This isn't a detailing channel, so let's get to it. Well, as you can see there, we got Slim Jim all cleaned up. It's sitting back there behind Dalton's Jeep. And before I could even get to washing the outside, because I did that kind of late last night, I went ahead and posted it because I have really good pictures of the outside of it. Before I could even clean it, somebody wants to buy this thing. So hopefully they're going to buy that tonight. If not, it'll be sitting around here just waiting for someone to buy it. I am not going to do any more work to it, I don't think. The only thing I might do to it, if it doesn't sell right now tonight, is I might see why the AC compressor's not kicking on. It's got refrigerant in it, and it's up to a good level, and it doesn't seem to be leaking, so maybe just a fuse. The compressor's not locked up. I don't know. It's not really important to me, but if this guy doesn't buy it, I'm definitely going to do that because it'll make it worth just a little bit more, and it should be not very much time put into that. So for now, that's cleaned up. It's not washed up, but we're gonna wash a bunch of the other Jeeps and stuff because we went wheeling last weekend. You can kind of see it on Dalton's Jeep, and they need to get cleaned up. Just kind of doing some housekeeping stuff around here today.